Join me for some cozy fall homemaking. I'm deep cleaning my bedroom rug, arranging a Twilight bouquet, and making a few autumnal recipes today on the Daily Connoisseur. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I'm going to make a cream of rice breakfast today. You know I love cream of wheat and malto meal, and I have made those hot cereals before on the channel, so I thought I'd try cream of rice for the first time. I love hot cereals. They remind me of my childhood and cozy fall and winter mornings. First, I'm going to light my pumpkin pecan waffles candle to get into the mood. White peaches are still in season here in California, so I slice one and I set it aside. Then I follow the cooking instructions on the cream of rice. It's similar to cream of wheat. Once the water is boiling, I add the cream of rice and then I cover the pot with a lid. This cooks very quickly, in a matter of minutes. When it's done, I add some whole milk, maple syrup, peaches, and pumpkin seeds. Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed this with a slice of hot buttered toast and some coffee. It was a cozy and warming breakfast. Have you ever tried cream of rice? Let me know in the comments down below. By the way, if you enjoy my homemaking content, I think you're going to love my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home, which is coming out this fall. In it, you'll find lots of cozy inspiration, including recipes, to live your best life at home. I will leave it linked down below. Hello! I'm in my heavy-duty cleaning clothes today. I've got my Merci sweats on, my Daily Connoisseur t-shirt. And today I'm doing something I have not done before. I'm actually going to wash this washable rug. So over time, it's just gotten a little dingy, especially where everybody walks in that path. And so I am going to wash this rug. Now it's huge. I think this will fit in my washer, at least I hope so, but I've never washed it before. So my plan of action is to vacuum it first, try to get up as much dust as I can. And then I am going to wash it, hopefully. And then after that, it's a really bright sunny day, so I'm going to put it outside to dry. It'll probably dry quickly because it's so hot, but I might have to wait until tomorrow to put it back. So let's get started. I also need to pull it out from under these areas. I've already begun a little bit. And then of course, they'll give me a good chance to vacuum the carpet underneath. While the rug is washing, I vacuum the carpet and make sure to also get into the crevices. With the rug out of the way, this is a good opportunity to deep clean. All right, it is the next day and I washed the rug. I hung it outside. I don't know if you can see it. It's down here on the carpet. I know, I washed it and then I put it outside. And, but that was kind of like late yesterday, so I had to bring it in at night and then I brought it out again today and it was really sunny. So it's totally dry now. My only worry was that a lizard or something would be inside of this when I brought it up. But yeah, it did wash and it did dry. So I'm going to lay this down now. I'm going to rotate it a bit so that the walking paths are on a different part of the rug. So here we go. With my back because I hurt my back actually, and it's kind of starting to hurt it again, so I need to really be careful. Okay, that was a bit of a workout, and I have to be careful with my back because I, injured my back recently, but I am very happy with it. So there's still some discoloration from just walkways, even though I did shift it. Like you could see it right here. It's just like slightly darker. But the washing it definitely got a lot of that out. And what I could do is just cover that up with like a layering rug, or just let the chips fall where they may, because who really cares? It just is what it is. It's a rug, and it's a light rug too. So normally with darker rugs, you wouldn't see it. But yeah, I'm glad, because I wanted to wash it anyway, just for, just to refresh it. And the room always smells really nice and fresh and like laundered. You know what I mean? So I gotta get this out of here, and I had some fresh flowers, but I moved them downstairs. Whenever I don't have fresh flowers for the room, I like to put my Forever Rose, Beauty and the Beast cloche. Or one could argue this is also like the Little Prince, So anyway, I'm gonna put that on the table here. And the room is restored. So anyway, some deep cleaning for the autumn time. I hope you felt motivated by that. All right, so that is done. I'm gonna go rest now. That tired me out. So I will see you later. Now let's make a pumpkin chia seed pudding. I take some organic canned pumpkin and place it in a container, along with plain Greek yogurt and unsweetened almond milk. I then add a dash of vanilla extract and maple syrup to sweeten. Then I add some pumpkin pie spice and mix all of that together. The spoon isn't really mixing this well, so I switched to a whisk. By the way, you could also add vanilla protein powder at this point too. That also makes a great addition. Then I add my chia seeds and I whisk well. Then this sits in the fridge overnight. It's the next morning, and now it is the perfect consistency. I dish out my serving into a pretty glass, and I top it with some pumpkin seeds. This pudding is sweet, mild, and perfect for autumn. If you make it, let me know how it turns out. Now let's make a Twilight bouquet. I bought some flowers from Trader Joe's earlier this day, and I'm just now getting to arranging them. I bought chrysanthemums and dahlias in this beautiful deep purple color. I plan to mix these with some bay leaves and globe amaranth from my garden to make a dark, gothic-looking arrangement. I find flower arranging to be so therapeutic. This was one of those very hectic days where it just seemed like there was one thing after another and I couldn't rest. So finally, in these peaceful twilight hours, I can now arrange my bouquet. And there it is. I love the mix of deep purple with the lighter globe amaranth, and the bay leaves always add a touch of old world charm too. I'd now like to take a minute to share the Chic Society with you. The Chic Society is channel memberships here on YouTube. It's like Patreon, but here on YouTube. We have a very vibrant community. I do one vodcast every week, and we also go live together once a month. We also have an optional pen pal program. There are a few different tiers, including a few upper tiers that get mentions at the end of the videos. You've been watching the Chic Connoisseur tier here, and now I'm sharing the Elegant Connoisseurs with you. The 30-day Outline Your Story workshop with Alan Watt, beginning October 10th. Jenny Williams from Carrot Top Paper Shop. The Elegant Eating Handbook, Timeless Strategies for Lasting Weight Loss and a Peaceful Relationship with Food by Elaine Brisebois. Guy Blaise, author of Love Like the French, A Guide to Better Romance and Relationships. Carrie Van Hooser, author of 'Tis the Season for Poetry. And thank you to the following: Catherine Ray, Anne-Marie Ramsey, Ashley Craig Diaz, Heather Barrera, Gina K. Henry, Kelly Ruel, Linda Eckloff, Maria Condor, Royal Living by Jen Marie DeGile, and Tina Hugal. If you're interested in joining the Chic Society, you can click the Join button down below or the link in the description box. Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.